Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to find and remove duplicates in Google Sheets. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, select your data and click on format, conditional formatting, and click on this formula rules and select custom formula rule and enter here this function and click on done. And here you can see duplicates have been selected, and now let's see how to delete duplicates. So for that, again select all of your data and click on data and click on data cleanup and click on remove duplicates, and you can select columns to analyze and click on remove duplicates. And here you can see duplicates have been deleted. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.